guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. I feel like you're really high right now. Welcome back to my channel for another video. I am Paige Sechler. If you are new here, if you're a returning subscriber, hey, I cut my hair and I colored my hair. Yeah. So today's video is actually going to be a pretty quick one. I'm actually filming it before I run off to work here. But it is, oh, it's heavy is what it is, a Bath & Body Works Black Friday haul. I ordered my stuff online for Black Friday because one, there was a huge line at the store, and two, COVID stuff is, you know, whatever. So I ordered this stuff, and Bath & Body Works Black Friday sale was buy 3 get 3. So I got 6 candles, 6 soaps, and 6 car scents. And basically what it boils down to, since I ordered it online, is my favorite Bath & Body Works scents. Because obviously you can't smell them online. So I ordered all of the ones that I knew I loved the smell. And that being said, I really only like burn candles in the winter. And the rest of the year I do essential oils. I love my essential oils, but something about Bath & Body Works winter and fall candles, mostly winter, it's not even fall. I just love their winter scents. They're just so cozy. So yeah, we're just gonna jump in with it. I am gonna torture you guys, and I'm gonna do the candles last. I'll do my car scent little packets first. We'll do soaps, and then I'll show you my candles. Because I bought so many car scent packs, I don't know what they're called. These are the things I'm talking about though. I got a free little car visor clip, which is awesome because I don't know where my other one went. So I just got this. It is in like a matte black, which is awesome. Actually, I need to set this out so I take it and put it in my car. Actually, for some reason, they sent 2 packages with my stuff, and the other package had one single of these, and the box was the same size of just one of these. So it's already in my car, just sitting on my dash. But the scents I got are mahogany teakwood. Absolutely love this. Actually, you will notice that I ordered a lot of the same scents for my candles, my soaps, and my car scents. Like I definitely knew what was my favorite. So we've got mahogany teakwood. We have ocean. This smells like a man's cologne. Like, it is good. Trust me on that. Actually, I think we're gonna put that one in Max's truck. He just doesn't know it yet. Stress relief, which is another one of my absolute favorites. I could not get this in a hand soap, but it is my favorite hand soap when I can get it. Whoops. It's like eucalyptus. Oh, I love stress relief. Flannel, so good, so cozy. A good like winter fall scent. Again, very masculine. I do like that kind of like masculine scent to it. And then I did get another mahogany teakwood because that is my all-time favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. Will always be mahogany teakwood. Yes, I'll make a list at the end. I'll put it down in the description. I'll put a description of my all-time favorites in order of them being my favorite down in the description box below. And every single scent that I have mentioned, I'll have on that list. So, oh, and the other one was sweater weather. That's what I have in my car already. And in hindsight, had that not been the first one that came, I probably wouldn't have put that one in my car first. But, you know, it's fine. We're rolling with it. Also, I just need to like throw out there, if you watch all of my videos, meaning like my Faith Friday videos, and you see my hair's long, I pre-film my Faith Friday videos. Like, I think they're pre-filmed up through like mid-January, if I'm being completely honest. So, yeah, my hair's not going to be the same length in those videos, but just want to like throw that out there that they're like way pre-filmed, way edited. They're already scheduled to go up. So yeah, there is that also. Okay, so let's do soaps. I did have one of my soaps leak, and sadly it was my favorite one. But I got, sorry, I'm trying to like, I don't want to get them on me because the one was leaking. I got 3 foaming soaps and 3 like regular soaps. And these are the 3 regular soaps. So I got flannel, which again I said is one of my absolute favorites. See, these have like soapy residue on. The description for the flannel scent, sorry, the car packs didn't like have like what it smelled like, I don't think. But it is a crisp autumn air with mahogany and cedar wood. So I love the smell of mahogany. That would be why I love it. Marshmallow Fireside, another one of my absolute favorites for winter specifically. It's just that like cozy marshmallow fireside, sitting by a campfire, got your hot chocolate. You know, it's just, it doesn't smell like hot chocolate. That's just like what it makes me think of. Toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla. Love this one. And fresh balsam, which is basically what it says it is. Woodland balsam, eucalyptus, and cedar wood. So I do love this. I love that there's that little pop of eucalyptus. It kind of gives it like a pine tree stress relief vibe. If I had to pick, I would honestly say this one I'll put out for winter, specifically like Christmas, because it smells like a Christmas tree. This would probably be my least favorite if I had to pick a least favorite soap. Okay, and then my 3 foaming hand soaps. I have Champagne Toast, which I'd actually never smelled before. I do really enjoy it. It kind of smells a little perfumey, if I'm going to be honest, but I like it. It's a little more girly than I usually go with for house scents, but for soap, it is what it is. Oh wait, I didn't tell you what Champagne Toast smells like. Champagne Toast is bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine, so it is a little more fruity. Sparkling icicles. This is sparkling citrus, golden sandalwood, and bergamot. I love this one. I usually put this one out every winter because it is just that like perfect, like fresh but winter scent. I absolutely love this one. And then we have, again, my favorite, mahogany teak wood, and I'm pretty sure this is the one that leaked. It's covered in stuff, but rich mahogany, black teak wood, and dark oak. Very, very masculine. I absolutely love it though. Okay, I told you guys this was gonna be a quick video, and look, we're already on our candles. So, okay, here are my candles. Whoa. Okay, I just have all of them setting in a stack right now. Actually, on top is my least favorite one that I ordered, and I order it because it reminds me of a manly spa. I don't know how else to explain it, but oh, also another thing, I always make sure I order like the solid packaging. Like, I don't get the printed ones unless it is like super, super cute, because it just doesn't match my aesthetic. And like the colors, like these are like, I don't know, they kind of match my aesthetic a little. And this is, I have mixed feelings about this one. I had it in a hand soap once, and I loved it in a hand soap, and that I needed a 6 candle. I didn't know what to get because, again, I ordered all my favorite scents already. I didn't know. So this is vanilla sage. It says, like, its name is what it smells like, vanilla and sage. Let's see, it says frosted sage, pine needles, white lavender, and vanilla cream. That is the best way to explain it. It is just, it's like vanilla and pine trees. Again, I've really loved it in the hand soap. I'll have to burn it. You know, sometimes candles give off like a little bit of a different scent once they're burning. I'll have to try this. This would be one I would probably keep close to like the bathroom. It does smell just very like spa-like, like a, I don't know. It's my least favorite of the candles that I got. But I still like it. Like, I would still recommend it, but it's just a very, it's different. It's an odd combination. Okay, this one I actually just finished burning up. My sister got me one of these for my birthday. This one is Marshmallow Fireside. Absolutely love it. I have it in the soap. I couldn't get it in the car scent, but this is probably one of my top scents. I know I said it once already, but it's toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. It is just so warm and cozy. There's no like hint of like masculinity in it at all. It's just, there's like a soft vanilla, but it's not like overly sweet, but it's not citrusy, it's not florally. It is just the perfect neutral scent. Love it. Every time I have it burning and someone comes in my house, they always compliment it. Next, we have one of my old go-tos, and this is flannel. It is bergamot, mahogany, and there's a soft musk, which again is called flannel, so it is very masculine. Like, this is one that I burn in my office. I love that I have places that I burn these candles, because out in like the main room of the house, it can be a little much to have something this masculine burning, but I love it like in a bedroom, in my office. I spend a lot of time in my office. It's just very like masculine, but gives me kind of like essential oil vibes, I'll be honest. Absolutely love this one. I have been buying this candle every Christmas since I was probably 16. It's my all-time favorite. Well, not my all-time favorite, but okay, I don't love the color of this one. This is the only one I don't love the color of the packaging, but I will keep this as strictly a Christmas candle. And this is mahogany balsam, and it is what it says it is. It is masculine and pine trees. If I had to summarize the scent, I wish I could like have you guys smell it. So mahogany is just naturally a very masculine scent. Balsam is pine tree. So we've got juniper, berry, fresh balsam, mahogany woods, and essential oils. So that basically sums up exactly what it is. Lola is sniffing the air right now. She can smell the candles. My number one favorite is mahogany teakwood. You guys probably knew what I was about to say. And I love it. Oh my gosh. See, it's a tie. Not a tie. My top three are definitely flannel, mahogany, teakwood. I don't know. Flannel, honestly, as far as candle scents, flannel might come first. I love mahogany teakwood in a soap. But in a I just love them all so much. Okay, we've got rich mahogany, black teakwood, dark oak, frosted lavender. So again, there's a little bit of that essential oil in there, which I love. But just, again, very, very masculine scent. Max always says, I think I could wear this as cologne. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure they make that. And last but very not least, we have Sweater Weather. I love this packaging, so pretty. And this is the scent that I have in my car right now. But it is fresh sage, juniper berry, aroma, eucalyptus, fresh woods. So very masculine, but like it's like more of like a fruity fall, like a fruity cozy scent. It's not overly fruity, but it does have that little bit of like berry undertone in it. It's, yeah, I love it. Very, very cozy and yummy. So yeah, that was my Bath & Body Works haul for Black Friday. I usually do this about every year, and it was just something like while I was shopping, my friend kept saying like, and like even Max kept saying like, oh, like I remember that's like your favorite, or maybe would say, oh, like what's your favorite scent, or you know, we just talked about it. I was like, you know, it's not a bad video idea, because like there are definitely times where like some of these candles, I'm sure I found the inspiration from somebody else. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you what my favorite Bath & Body Works scents are, what I usually go to. So again, I will type them up in the description in order of my favorites. So I'll break down the 6 candles, the 6 car scents, and the 6 soaps, and I'll put them in order of what scents I like the best. So you have that list to reference if you are ordering online and don't know what to get. So that is all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I upload videos every Monday and Friday. And again, if you get on Friday's video and see my hair is short, or is not short anymore, it's because it's pre-filmed. So again, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys all so much. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you on Friday. Mwah! Love you.